happy. At least the turnout was good. We had about 100 seniors and around 50 juniors. And the turnout was good. We had some corporate team like KCB and other clubs like Black Knights, Warlords. And we really enjoyed. At least they have come from far. In Murang'a, we are trying to introduce chess, so we have enjoyed hosting the teams. Currently, it is very interesting having the juniors in the team because they are vibrant, they are patient, they have that zeal to learn the game. At least for now in Murang'a, we have a team called Warlords. It has about 20 players. Now we have hopes that within the next few years we'll have grandmasters or maybe national chess players from Murang'a County. So we are incorporating the mashinani teams, at least to bring new faces and new energetic young people to at least come and compete and teach them so that we can see we can go to the next step. We'll have it annually every November. We'll be hosting our Murang'a Opens. So we are going each and every county as Chess Kenya Federation.
The competition is so good. We like the environment, everything is okay, and our players are really enjoying it. On this tournament, we have 4 KCB players who are on the top 5. We have already won the best corporate team, which KCB are now the top one. On the league side, I think we lost the league just because there were some small technicalities which we overlooked, but I think come next year we'll rectify all we have done with the team, and I think we'll retain we'll recover the cup again to us. We have a plan of recruiting a very good young players who will come and boost our players.
Nayo